Hi there, my name is Antonio Prates and I'm the author of FatScript, a new programming language which is both lightweight and focused on console-based applications. This is a good opportunity for beginners to start learning programming through a very simple syntax, which is provided by this language. It's also a great opportunity for more experienced programmers to learn new ways to express themselves. I hope that you enjoy this series of videos that I'm gonna publish on this channel, which will mostly talk about how to use the language, how was the process of developing the language and the interpreter, which is called Fry. Actually, Fry, the name is a funny one, because when you run your FatScript, you actually fry your fat code. Anyway, you're gonna learn how to install the FatScript interpreter, and you're gonna also see a little bit of how it was built. And I hope we get to have a very big community collaborating, sharing knowledge, learning together. You're gonna be able to contribute to this project by contributing code to the interpreter, or share this video, share other videos that are gonna be published in this channel with your friends, and so that more people get to know about FatScript. Also, you can provide bug reports, you can provide suggestions of things you would like to see happening in FatScript. All of this will help the project flourish, grow, and get better and better. So I hope you can enjoy the next videos of this series, where we're gonna learn how to use the language, how to build small projects with it, and a little bit also about the story of how it was built from the ground up. Right? See you on the next video.